Your Samsung account opens up a whole ecosystem of Samsung services and smart devices. First, you've got 5 GB of storage to sync your data across all your Samsung devices. Backups are also easy. Don't lose track of your photos and other data ever again. Or always have the peace of mind that you can locate your lost phone. And keep tabs on all your connected products, as well as set up routines and smart devices with SmartThings. If you didn't create a Samsung account when you purchased a product, you can do this online anytime. Just select Create Account, enter your information, and select Next. Then just verify your account and you're all set. You'll see a dashboard that will display your information and the products and services you're using. It's easy to create an account on a phone or tab too. Just open Settings, then select Samsung Account. Be sure you log in on each of your devices to take full advantage of your account. This includes your Samsung Smart TV. From the TV settings, select General, System Manager, then Samsung Account. Back on your dashboard, you'll see all the devices you've registered your account with all in one place. Services collects all the features you've set up or have available to you. Galaxy Wearable and SmartThings are great examples. Wearable gives you access to your Galaxy Watch or Buds, while SmartThings opens up a world of connected devices that learn your daily routines and optimize your lifestyle. So, while it's not mandatory to create one, your Samsung account will take your experience to new frontiers.